Hi, I'm Dan Bussard with MVP Realty. Welcome to Esplanade at Hacienda Lakes. Welcome to a walkthrough tour of Esplanade at Hacienda Lakes Trevi VII model. Offering over 2,800 square feet, options of 2 to 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, and your choice of a 2 or 3 car garage. Click the link below to receive our builder's brochure and to learn more about our exclusive new construction credit of up to $2,500. With an amazing menu of features and upgrades, you will enjoy unparalleled lifestyle of luxury and convenience. For more information, click the link below or call me at 239-450-5786.